Hey everyone, if you're a business owner, marketer, or entrepreneur, you already know the power of customer testimonials. But let's face it, collecting, organizing, and showcasing them can feel like a full-time job. Enter Gozen Testimonials. Today, I'm reviewing this awesome social proof platform and breaking down its incredible lifetime deal on appsumo. So stick around to find out how this tool can take your testimonials game to the next level. First, let's talk about the problem Gozen Testimonials solves. Testimonials are a goldmine for building trust and driving sales, but the process can be super overwhelming. Whether it's chasing down reviews, managing feedback from different platforms, or displaying them professionally, many of us fall short. That's where Gozen Testimonials steps in to save the day. Gozen Testimonials is an all-in-one social proof platform. It helps you collect testimonials in multiple formats, text, audio, or video from your customers. Not only that, but it also allows you to import reviews from platforms like Google, G2, Yelp, and social media sites like LinkedIn or X. You can manage all of them in a single organized dashboard and display them with widgets or even create a stunning wall of love for your website. Here's what I love about Gozen Testimonials: custom forms. You can create branded forms to collect testimonials in any format. AI-powered case studies. Automatically turn customer feedback into professional-looking case studies to prove your product works. Import reviews from 14+ sources. Pull in existing reviews from platforms like Google, G2, or Yelp. No need to start from scratch. Widgets and wall of love. Easily embed testimonials on your website or create a page dedicated to showcasing all the love your brand gets. Social sharing. With customizable templates, you can transform testimonials into engaging social media posts. And let's not forget about features like analytics, workspace organization for agencies, and integrations with Zapier and Pabbly Connect. Now let's talk about the appsumo deal. This is where it gets really exciting. Gozen Testimonials is offering a lifetime access deal starting at just $59. That's a massive discount compared to its regular pricing. Depending on the tier you choose, you can scale the tool to match your business needs. For instance, Tier 1 at $59, perfect for solopreneurs with 1 user, 3 workspaces, and 15 GB of storage. Tier 3 at $29.99, great for growing teams with 10 users, 20 workspaces, and 100 GB of storage. Plus, branding and loading branding are removed. Tier 5 at $499 offers unlimited users, workspaces, and even Kname for custom branding. And the best part? This deal comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free to try.